Hello and welcome to Blackburn Audi. My name is Chloe and today I'm going to give you a quick tour around this beautiful brand new Q5 Sport, what we have in stock. It is a 2-litre diesel engine and comes finished in the beautiful Narrava Blue. Starting at the front of the vehicle, we have got the gorgeous LED headlights with LED tail lights on this car, with a beautiful grille which is really contrasting well with this car. And as we turn to the side of the vehicle now, we've got the superb 18-inch alloy wheels. These are 5 twin spoke design and which are a dynamic design and do give off the finishing touch. The exterior door mirrors are electrically folding, heated and with auto dimming as well, just for your convenience. And as it is a brand new Audi vehicle, you will receive 3 years warranty. This includes key cover, MOT cover and roadside assistance also, which really comes in handy. With front and rear parking sensors. But going into the boot now on this SUV, as you can see, it massively benefits from a very generous and very practical boot size for all yours and your family's belongings, with a retractable luggage cover. And one click of the button, the powered operated tailgate will automatically close for you. Passengers will be able to travel in the maximum comfort and style with the leather seats and the charging points. The full front sport seats are finished in leather, and as we turn around, we've got the 3-sport multifunctional steering wheel here. Going on to the inlays now, which surround the fully touchscreen MMI navigation system in the centre. This is what houses all your in-car entertainment and all your car settings if you desire to choose to change them. This includes DAB digital radio, the sat-nav, telephone and smartphone interface, and also Apple CarPlay, which is extremely easy to use, so you'll be able to connect up your favourite devices. Moving down, we've got the 3-zone climate control, which is really easy to manage and control the heat in the car, so you and your passenger will be able to travel in your desired temperature. Additionally, we've got the Audi Drive Select button. This enables the driver to put their car into whatever mode they would like to drive, so dynamic for a more sporty drive. We've also got the rear view camera, making this SUV really easy to park up. Audi's wireless phone box, so you'll be able to easily lie your phone on there whilst it wirelessly charges up, and move it back so you'll be able to fit your drinks in there. Cruise control, automatic rain sensors and the automatic headlights too, making your journey a little bit more effortless. But moving on to the virtual cockpit right in front of the driver, here is where they'll be able to choose whatever platform they would like to view, and also make the dial smaller if you desire to. So if you would like any more information about this vehicle, we've got some incredible offers on, so please don't hesitate to contact us on 01254 868 216. Thank you for watching.